AGM lead batteries are among the most advanced lead batteries. The AGM separator in those batteries allow those batteries to perform significantly better as compared to flooded.
AGM battery can last much longer, and particularly in partial state of charge, an AGM battery can last much longer. There's really no maintenance. The battery is sealed, there's no free acid, it's safe, there will be no acid leakage.
H&V has been in AGM separator manufacturing since 1983.
We have global footprint of dedicated AGM machines, and those machines are supported by robust supply chain and best-in-class quality systems.
We are fully integrated. We make our own fibers to make the finished product.
We continually innovate in glass fiber manufacturing to support our state-of-the-art products that our customers need.
And we can really adapt our fibers to the applications.
Come to H&V to solve your complex battery problems and stay with H&V for our robust supply chain and best-in-class quality systems.